Hi, I'm Pawel, I make games, and I'm gonna show you how to build your Unity project into WebGL version, test it locally, and make it work with URP. First thing you need is to go to File, Build Settings, and choose WebGL platform, of course. You simply click on a platform you need, and click Switch Platform button. Alright. Now you need to go to player settings, make sure that your resolution presentation is the same as your target resolution. Now scroll down, go to publishing settings and disable compression. That protects you from a common error that doesn't allow your project to load. If you want to, you may leave it as it is and check it out. Now go to your universal render pipeline asset if you use URP and check HDR. That makes your game display graphics properly in the WebGL build. Now all you need to do is hit build button, choose a folder you want and wait for Unity to do its job. Alright, our build is ready, so let's check what's inside. And we have .html file there. Okay, but if you want to use it in a daily use browser, your game won't load. Okay, let's test that with something different, and you get an error. So to test this game locally without uploading the game to itch.io, for example, you need a Mozilla Firefox browser and enter about:config. Now accept the risk and search for an option called privacy.file unique origin. You need to have it on false, and you can click this button to change this option. Now simply go to your folder and drag and drop this HTML file. Your game loads and you can play it. If that's the first time you build your WebGL game, you can see this button over there, and that's what Unity gives you to switch full screen on and off. If you don't want to see this bar, you need to go to Unity, Player Settings, Resolution and Presentation, and change from default to minimal. Okay, now let's upload this game to itch.io. You need to go to itch.io, of course, and go to your dashboard. Now hit this create new project button and give some basic information about your project. The title is Silly Escape Xmas Trip. Project URL seems to be a bit too long, so let's make it a little bit shorter. Now about the description. Funny little point and click game. Okay, it's a game. We want to play it in a browser, so it's a HTML project. And as you can see, you need a zip file for that, but we will talk about it soon. It's released. We don't want any payments for that. And our width is 900 and height 540. Let's double check it. Oh, it's 960. Okay. And about the description, let's make it short for now. Santa needs something to drink. Alright. it's an adventure game. And about the text, we want to be point and click, 2D, pixel art. I think that's enough. Okay, for now let's leave everything as it is. And let's add some images over there. Cover image over there. And I also have some screenshots. There's one, there's two. Alright, that looks sweet. Let's go to our folder with the game. Go one level down, right click on it, and use 7-zip there. Just hit OK. Alright, we've got this new.zip file. So let's just upload it. Okay, let's select this file, we'll play it in the browser. And basically that's all we need. Let's hit save and view the page. Hit run. Wait a little bit. And as you can see, our game is fine, but this little bar is a bit cropped. So let's go back to edit game and make it a little bit higher. Now it's just fine. Okay, but if you want your front page to look better, you can go to edit theme. There use, for example, different colors of your text, show your screenshots on the sidebar, and also use some kind of an image from your game as a background. Now it's a good time to change the colors again, but this time of the background, and reduce the alpha of the background number 2. Okay, that color was really ugly, so let's change it to this one. Your game is basically ready to be published, because all you need to do here is to go to your edit game tab and change the visibility to public. Now save your changes and view the game. The game still has its issues, but if you want to, I may continue this tutorial and upgrade it more and more. That way the game will be constantly updated until it's finished in 100%. That's a perfect time to talk with me about your ideas in the comments below. But for now, have a good day and see you soon!